Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make entry of batch receipts in Xero. Okay, we can also call it batch deposit entry. So first of all, let me show you the outstanding invoices. Okay, awaiting payment. So these are the invoices which are yet to received. Okay, they are total 6 invoices. I can select all invoices from here, otherwise I can select randomly invoices. Fine, let's select all invoices and you can see option of deposit here. So you need to click here. I have already created one bank account. Okay, so you need to enter the date and reference number, and in bank account I have created cash account, so I'll select that cash account. Okay, I have created cash account as bank here. So these are the bills and let's save it. So you can see the transaction has been successfully saved. You can print PDF, you can export CSV, you can send receipt. From here you can reconcile the transaction, you can edit this, you can remove this transaction. Let me show you the cash account. So you can see 2 transactions. This is our transaction. Okay, so for reconciliation I need to click here and you will get the same display. Okay, now let's edit this batch. Let's remove this transaction and again save this transaction. So in this manner we can edit and save the transaction. Now let's remove this transaction. So I'll click on remove and redo. So you can see the transaction has been successfully removed from here. Now let's go again in sales overview, awaiting payment. This time I'm going to make transaction and I'm going to make reconcile it. Reference, cash account, deposit, then mark as reconciled and mark as reconcile again. Okay, now you can see all the transaction from awaiting payment category has been removed to paid category. Okay, so in this manner we can make batch deposit in Xero. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.